Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Anyways, it is the day of Christmas Day, and I wanted to prank my husband. I thought this was gonna be like the perfect prank. By the way, I am sick. Like, I don't even know how I got sick. Like, I'm sick and Ali's sick. This one, say hi. This little dude is not sick yet. Say hi. He's not sick yet, so let's knock on wood that he doesn't get sick. But I have like the cold and stuff, and it's raining in California today. So anyways, I wanted to tell you guys what I decided to do. I decided to do a prank on my husband, and I'm gonna take a shower. He's in the shower right now. He is... Mommy. Ahorita te lo pongo. Ah, ¿es el grillo? That's a grillo. Papi, da un grillo. So I'm gonna tell him. So I'm gonna tell him that I'm basically gonna tell him that I did not like the Christmas presents that he gave me. Which, by the way, I do love everything he gave me. Everything that he gives me is always so, like, I don't ever see it coming. Like, you know, like, I always feel like I know what he's gonna get me, and then he surprises me with something I didn't even think he was gonna get me. So anyways, I really loved it. He got me this pink sweater that's like an oversized hoodie, or it's not a hoodie. Yeah, it's a hoodie. It's an oversized hoodie. He got me some Vans, and he got me some lotions from Victoria's Secret, or no, from Pink. I was gonna tell him that I didn't like the presents that he gave me. So I'm gonna take a shower, so when we're done. Oye, eso no es pa eso.
No.
He's over here putting spray wax on a fucking grillo. No, you don't use that.
Okay.
It's dead. Look, it's dead.
Is that?
Yeah, I'm gonna hide the camera somewhere in the living room.
Yeah, these pants are really big.
I'm not used to the smell of these lotions. I want to tell you something, but you have to, like, promise me you're not gonna get mad. You promise you're not gonna get mad?
Do you have any other presents?
No. I kind of was expecting more for Christmas. I'm not gonna lie.
From me too?
Yeah. I was expecting something a little bit better, because I kind of didn't like the sweater and stuff. Expecting, you know, like some makeup.
No, I'm not gonna do that over.
What?
They ain't gonna buy that shit. Nah, just not. So, I don't fucking know, man. Like, and I know when I just give you money that I'm. That's how I feel. No, that's how I feel. It's just like I just wanted you to open something, like, and so I just, you know, I told her the shoes, and I'm like, get her a sweater from Hollister. I was expecting more from you too, babe. But, you know, I'm not fucked up like you, and I'm not gonna tell you, hey, you know, I'm missing this, I'm missing that. So, but you know, that's what it is.
Come here. Are you mad?
No.
It's a prank. Look at the camera right there. Got you. Anyways, we got him, you guys. Now he's a little butthurt. I'm just playing. You're kind of sad, huh?
What?
Baby, don't be mad, okay?